Shark Wet Dry Vac, the new indispensable tool for the professional home handyman. If you're a professional handyman who needs to keep your home clean and free of dirt, dust, and other debris, then a Shark Wet Dry Vac is the perfect tool for you. Not only does it make life easier, but it's also an essential piece of equipment for any home that needs cleanliness. What is the Shark Wet Dry Vac? The Shark Wet Dry Vac is a powerful, easy-to-use tool that helps professional home handymen keep their tools and equipment clean and dry. The vacuum cleaner sucks up dirt, dust, and other debris from surfaces quickly and easily. It also includes a dustbin that can be filled with debris to be disposed of later. How to use the Shark Wet Dry Vac? The first step in using the Shark Wet Dry Vac is to prepare the surface you want to clean. This typically means wiping it down with a cloth or piece of paper before putting the vacuum cleaner on top of it. Next, add the appropriate amount of air pressure to the green part of the machine, and place the item you want to clean onto the O-ring membrane at the front of the machine. Close off both ends of the filter bag, or use a dust sack, and turn on the vacuum cleaner. The Shark Wet Dry Vac will start sucking up dirt, dust, or other debris right away. Be sure not to overfill the dustbin, as this could cause problems later on when you have to dispose of debris. What to look for in a wet dry vac? When looking for a wet dry vacuum, be sure to consider factors such as how large your area will need to be cleaned, how much noise it will make, how much money you're willing to spend, whether you want an automatic or manual filter, and what type of material you're wanting to clean: wooden crates, plastic containers, metal cans. Why you should get a Shark Wet Dry Vac? The Shark Wet Dry Vac is a must-have for the professional home handyman. Its ability to dry and clean carpets, hardwood floors, and more quickly than traditional vacuum cleaners can make life a lot easier. In addition, the Shark Wet Dry Vac features an intelligent dustbin that saves you time and hassle when cleaning up your messes. Why you should choose a Shark Wet Dry Vac? The Shark Wet Drying Vac is perfect for those who want to save time and money on their carpet cleaning needs. The machine uses an advanced centrifugal suction system that ensures quick and efficient drying of carpets and flooring. Additionally, the Shark Wet Dry Vacuum has dustbin that is specifically designed to reduce waste and make cleanup much easier. How to use the Shark Wet Drying Vac? To use the Shark Wet Drying Vac correctly, follow these simple steps. First, place your carpets or flooring in the dustbin, then use the wand to spin around the area being cleaned. Finally, release the vacuum cleaner's nozzle so all of the dirt, debris, and messes are drawn up into the dustbin and saved for future use. Description: complete clean, powerful suction plus spray mopping, a complete clean in one pad. A complete clean all-in-one disposable pad. The Shark Vac Mop Pro cordless hard floor system uses an innovative all-in-one disposable pad to vacuum and lock away debris that other pads ush around, and then finish with spray mopping for tough messes. Disposable pads. Disposable vac mop pads vacuum up what other pads push around. Powerful suction pulls in dirt and debris to be locked away directly in the disposable vac mop pad. Powerful suction for dry debris. Powerful suction locks away dirt, debris, pet hair, and more in the pad's dirt chamber. Spray mops for finished floors. Break down stuck-on messes with spray, leaving floors spotless. Lock away debris. An all-in-one disposable pad locks away debris that you vacuum up, no more pushing messes around. Break down tough messes. The all-in-one pad also combines with spray mopping capabilities to break down tough messes. 12 ounces. Cleaning solution: spray mop with vac mop spring clean floor cleaner to scrub stuck-on grime, providing shiny clean floors. No touch disposal: remove dirty pad with a touch of a button, never touch a dirty pad again. Easy maintenance, no filter or maintenance necessary. Just replace the pad, clean like new in every pad. Clean on the go, cordless with rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Lightweight and compact, at less than 5 pounds, VacMop is perfect for grab-and-go cleaning and easy storage. Cordless, room-to-room, multi-surface cleaning without the hassle of a cord. LED headlights, powerful LED headlights reveal hidden debris around your home. Automatic lights illuminate hidden debris in corners, crevices, and under furniture in your home. What's included? VacMop, charger, 4 disposable pads and 1 12 ounces cleaning solution bottle. Conclusion? Buying a Shark Wet Dry Vac can help you save time and get the job done better. The wet dry vacuum can help to clean everything from carpets to hard surfaces in a hurry. By choosing the right model, you can be sure that you're getting the best possible value for your money.